Fine lines, enlarged pores, sun damage, spots on the skin, acne, wrinkles. These are all conditions that we don't want to see on our skin. If I could share with you one power ingredient that would make a difference on these conditions and more, it would be vitamin A. It definitely has my focus, and it's our spotlight ingredient for this week. It's really important to know where your vitamin A came from and how to use it. Often clients will come in for consultations and they'll share with me that maybe their doctor prescribed retinol and they went home and they've been using it twice a day and they don't know why their skin is sensitive, or why they're having micropeeling, or why it feels like it might be thinning a bit. Well, that's all because it wasn't used correctly. It's also not our favorite form of vitamin A or retinol anymore, because science and nature have taken ingredients to a different place, and we're finding that our favorite form of vitamin A is now coming from the sea. So vitamin A from algae outperforms any synthetic retinol. The beauty of that is it works from the inside out, and it lifts the dead cells, and it lifts all those conditions that we don't want to see and makes them go away. And that's really how you want your vitamin A to perform. How do you use it? You only use it alternate nights of the week. So we tell our guests to use it 3 nights a week, such as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, when you can remember. Stay on that schedule, and during the day you use ingredients that give you more barrier environmental protection. Alternate nights you would continue to use your night performing creams. I hope that you found this interesting. If you'd like to have some more specifics on vitamin A, or if there's something else that you'd love to know more about, DM us or drop a comment and we'll be happy to answer your questions. That's what we love to do.